talagang tinapos ang stream ko. Thank you so much sa mga gumising pa ng alarm. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Did you have a great time? Did you have a great time listening to my songs again? Kasi ako, I enjoyed singing the new songs na ngayon ko lang kinanta and sana napasaya ko kayo. Pasensya na kayo sa mga songs na hindi ko makanta sa inyo pero I enjoyed my time with you guys, singing your favorite songs and singing your not so favorite songs. Nakamiss lang and small talk with you guys. Thank you again. Just comment down. Ate Babes, thank you. Joe, thank you. Josibel, Chard, thank you. Talaga, nagustuhan nyo yung ayusin ko pa yung paano, promise. Ayusin ko yun kasi ngayon ko nakita na merong nun eh. Ate Babes, thank you. Ate Ping, Joyce Key, Ate Del, Ate Shena, thank you. Ann, Ate Getty, thank you so much. Carrie, Karens, Mary Joy, Tin, Syra, paano ni Gary B. Syra? Kinanta ko kanina. Andrea, Eunice, ayan, hindi ko na makita. Hindi ko na ubers na. Saan na ba? Tuloy. Eileen, Eunice, Joyce Key, Prime, Ate Del, Ate Babes, thank you. Love you all. And Mami Zahar, Team Gigil, thank you so much. I love you all. Salamat sa pagtsatsagaan nyo sa akin, ha. I appreciate it. Yung pagtsatsagaan nyo matindi na talagang nakatuto kayo sa akin. Ang inyong pagmamahal sa akin. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso yan. Thank you so much. Salamat. Thank you. Never-ending thanks for all the support that I'm getting from all of you. Salamat to all the Jexters out there. Sa Team Buang. Thank you. Kay na Jenay, kay Adet, kay Ate Ibad, Ate Badas, si Jane, si Ate Habibs, si Ate Sherry, si Mami Sire, na nandyan, Ate Getty, Ate Babes, si Ate Shena, thank you so much. Talaga ng mga nakaiba kayo. Joy, thank you. Na Annalisa, Maisel, good morning.